Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of the bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, was arrested on Monday, December 12, 2022 in Bahamas. In this video, I am going to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried's arrest, latest news and what could happen next. The Southern District of New York, SDNY, which is investigating Bankman-Fried and the collapse of FTX and its sister trading firm Alameda, confirmed its arrest on Twitter. Bankman-Fried was arrested without incident at his apartment complex after 6 p.m. Eastern Time Monday in Nassau. He will appear in court Tuesday, the Royal Bahamas Police Force said in a statement. After SDNY confirmed its arrest, the Securities and Exchange Commission had authorized separate indictments related to Bankman-Fried's violations of securities laws to be filed publicly on Tuesday, December 13, 2022. It's unclear what charges are waiting for SBF. The 30-year-old crypto celebrity became an overnight outcast last month when FTX suffered a liquidity crisis and filed for bankruptcy. At least 1 million depositors were denied access to their funds. The charges against SBF may include wire fraud conspiracy, securities fraud conspiracy, and money laundering. The U.S. extradition treaty with the Bahamas allows defendants to be extradited to U.S. if the charges would be punished with at least 1 year in prison in both jurisdictions. In the 4 weeks since FTX filed for bankruptcy, SBF has tried to portray himself as a slightly unfortunate CEO. He denied the allegations that he defrauded FTX customers.
There are things I would give anything to be able to do over again. I didn't ever try to commit fraud on anyone.
I didn't ever try to commit fraud on anyone. I certainly wasn't as competent as I thought, SBF said. SBF was scheduled to appear virtually before the House Financial Services Committee by U.S. officials on Tuesday, December 13, 2022. U.S. officials are expected to demand answers on how FTX company rallied throughout the ecosystem of digital assets and went under. Several cryptocurrency firms have shut down operations, frozen customer accounts and in some cases filed for bankruptcy due to exposure to FTX. Following his arrest, Representative Maxine Waters, the committee chair, said SBF would not testify Tuesday as scheduled. The hearing with FTX's new CEO, John J. Ray III, was still scheduled to take place. Mr. Ray took over SBF on November 11 and is tasked with going through the bankruptcy process. So far, Ray painted a picture of a crypto empire with virtually no corporate controls and a horrifying lack of financial and other records. Though the investigation is ongoing, Ray said the collapse of FTX appears to have been due to the concentration of power in the hands of a small group of extremely inexperienced people. They have implemented virtually no corporate controls. Ray also noted that FTX client assets were mixed up with the assets of the Alameda trading platform. This is a key question for investigators since FTX and Alameda were theoretically separate companies. SBF has knowingly denied comingling funds and has attempted to distance itself from the day-to-day management of Alameda. Alameda has developed a number of high-risk business strategies such as arbitrage and yield farming. What is yield farming? Yield farming is investing in digital tokens that pay high interest rate rewards. SBF admitted that he mismanaged FTX and did not pay enough attention to risk. That is why we at Rich Finance, Stocks, Options, Real Estate and Crypto Channel believe that risk management is very important in investing and trading cryptocurrencies. SBF also acknowledged the lack of corporate controls and risk management at the companies he once managed. There was no person at FTX who was primarily responsible for client position risk, SBF said. And that feels pretty embarrassing in hindsight. One of the key questions about FTX's collapse came from a Reuters report last month. The report said that SBF had a backdoor in FTX's accounting system. This allows changes to the company's financial records without triggering accounting red flags. The report stated that SBF used this backdoor to transfer $10 billion in customer funds from FTX to hedge fund Alameda. At least $1 billion is now missing. SBF has denied any knowledge of such a backdoor. I don't even know how to code, he said in an interview with cryptocurrency vlogger Tiffany Fong last month. Do you think SBF is innocent? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? you can start stock investing and option trading right now.
If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.